Hi friends, welcome to my second session of Business Intelligence. In this session, we will see Decision Support System DSS. Now, what is DSS? A decision support system is an interactive computer based application that combines data and mathematical models to help decision makers solve complex problems faced in managing the public and private enterprises and organizations. DSS is used to collect, organize, and analyze business data. DSS supports different decision makers to collect raw data and then to take decisions and resolve the problems. So, it is nothing but a computer based application that collects, organizes, and analyzes business data to facilitate quality business decision making for management, operations, and planning. It helps to take decision after collecting and analyzing data so that decision makers can take decisions very easily. Therefore, DSS does not take decision on its own. It does not have that much ability to take decisions, but the managers of the company or the decision makers collect the information from the raw data and then using the knowledge they solve the problem and then takes the decision. So DSS is only used to support or help decision makers or managers to take decision easily. For example, salary information system, it keeps all the record of salary of the employee. The record of the salary is kept in a database. So, if the employee wants to take benefits of the income tax services, then DSS will help to take decisions for which scheme should be used by the employee. It does not take decision on its own. It is dependent on others to take their decisions. So here DSS does not take decision on its own. It is dependent on others to take the decision. Now further we will see the components of DSS. There are three components of DSS. First is DSS database, second is DSS software systems, third is user. And also we have a user interface to interact with the users. The first component of DSS is DSS database. Database is used to store the data. The data is collected from various sources and stored in the database. For example, the data of an organization is stored in the database or in an application which generates the data or external sources such as internet. From internet, we search the useful data, retrieve it and store it in the database. Database uses a software called DBMS, Database Management System, which is used to store and manage data. Therefore, it contains data from various sources including internal data and external data mined from the internet. The second component is DSS software system. DSS is a computer software which consists of predefined model used to take specific decisions, which has mathematical and analytical model used to analyze the complex data so that required information is produced. Models predict the output based on different inputs. The third component is DSS user interface. It is an interactive graphical interface GUI which makes the interaction easier between the DSS and its user. It displays the results, that is output of the analysis in various forms such as text, table, charts or graphics. The user can select the appropriate option to view the output according to his requirement. Here we will take an example of take a mobile application such as music which provides an user interface. User interacts with this interface and plays his or her favorite song, increases or decreases the volume. When he wants to pause the song, he pauses it, then again play the song. This can be done using the user interface application. Now we will see what are the characteristics of decision support system. There are five characteristics of decision support system, that is DSS. First is facilitation, Second is interaction. Third, repeated use. Fourth, identifiable. Fifth, decision impact. Now, facilitation. DSS helps to take particular decision or activity more attractive. Therefore, DSS facilitate and support specific decision making activities and or decision processes. Second is interaction. DSS is a computer based system. Here, decision makers are used to interact with different to perform certain operations to be controlled. Third is repeated use. DSS can be used again and again. Therefore, DSS are intended to repeated use. A specific DSS may be used routinely or used as needed for ad hoc decision support tasks. Fourth, identifiable. DSS may be independent system that collect or replicate data from other information system. Here, DSS is an independent system which is used to collect data from different united systems or repeat the data. Last is decision impact. DSS are intended to improve the accuracy, timelineliness, quality, and overall effectiveness of a specific decision or a set of related decisions. Here, the purpose of DSS is used to improve the accuracy of the particular decision, check the quality, timing, and effectiveness of the decisions. Thank you. If you like the video, so please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video.